Papa Daddy held a packet of seeds. "Today, we plant a garden." Samir jumped. "I want to grow carrots," Aayan shouted, "and strawberries." Mama laid out small shovels. Baby Minaal giggled on her blanket. Papa Daddy said, "Let's dig tiny holes just like this." Samir scooped dirt carefully. Aayan plopped his shovel in. Splat! "Seeds go in gently," said Mama. "Then cover them with love." They watered the soil slowly. Baby Minaal squealed as drops hit her toes. "Will they grow today?" asked Aayan. "Plants take time," said Papa Daddy. "Be patient." Every day they checked the garden. One morning, tiny green sprouts. "They're growing," said Samir. "Because we helped," said Aayan proudly. Moral: little hands can do big things. Papa Daddy smiled. "You're real garden heroes."